Hello guys, how are you? I am Dr. Parvez Ahmad from BMS first year student. In this video, we are discussing about the powerful Ayurvedic herbs with their benefits. What is Ayurveda? What is that? The Ayurveda is the one of the ancient Indian system. The main aim, the main motto of the Ayurveda, that is Swasthastha Swastha Rakshanam Aturasya Vikara Prashamanam Cha Prashamanam. That is the main aim of the Ayurveda. What is it means? Means the prevention of disease is the primary aim of the Ayurveda. It works on the three basic principles, that is Vata, Pitta and the Kapha. These are the three main principles of the Ayurveda. The Ayurveda is a practice is based on the three main books, that is Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and the Ashtanga Hridaya. These are all about the small introduction about the Ayurveda. Now discussing about what is the role of Ayurvedic herbs. The role of the Ayurvedic herbs. The Ayurveda herbs are the integral part of Ayurvedic medicine system. Okay, and ancient time we were using the herbs to treat the different diseases, to promote the immunity boosting, healthy skin, hair, and these are all are helpful for the Ayurvedic herbs. It is also important to balance the doshas to provide the complete relief and existence of the illness. They are treating a whole individual. This type of the treatment advantage to cure the other health and probably with the main diseases. There is no side effects in the Ayurveda. This is also boost the immunity and increasing the natural power of healing. These are all about the role of Ayurvedic herbs. Discussing about the best Ayurvedic herbs are, first one, that is the Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, it is a traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is used for the multiple uses. The Ashwagandha means, in the Sanskrit word, the Ashwa means horse and Gandha means the smell. Ashwa means horse, the Gandha is a smell. It is also called as, which one? The Ashwagandha. It is also called as the winter cherries. Winter cherries. The Ashwagandha roots are the used for preparing the Ayurvedic remedies. These are all about the small introduction about the Ashwagandha. Now discussing what are the benefits of the Ashwagandha. First one, that is it is boost the immune system. Boost the immune system. Next, increasing the stress and calm of our body. Next, it is increasing the fertility. Next, it improve the heart, healthier heart. Next, it is also maintain the normal testosterone in the male, normal testosterone level in the males. These are all about the benefits of the Ashwagandha. Next, the Ashwagandha can be consumed as powder, tablet or liquid extracted from Ashwagandha. It can be taken, it can be also you take after without food, means after meal at any time. These are all about the Ashwagandha. The second one, that is Amla. It is the powerful herb in the Ayurveda. It is mainly uses for boost the immunity system. It has a great antioxidant property. Okay, now discussing about what are the benefits of Amla. Amla, it is enhance the immunity system. Next one, it is a great for skin, hair, eyes and nails. It is very helpful for the this one things. Next one, that is it reduce the high blood sugar level. These are all about the benefits of the Amla. Next, third one, that is Haritaki. Third one herb, that is the Haritaki. It is also known as the king of the herb. The Haritaki is also known as the king of the herb in the Ayurvedic system. This one, next, it is useful for the strengthen the give energy and the intelligence. Now discussing what are the benefits of the Haritaki. Now It is a very helpful for the vital functioning of such as digestive functionings and the nutrient absorptions. Next one, it is reduce the blood cholesterol level, and it is helpful for the prevent the lung infections. These are all about the benefits of the consuming the haritaki. Next, the fourth Ayurvedic herb, that is the neem. All now about the neem. Okay, the neem, it is mainly used a well-known herb in a Ayurvedic system. It is a bitter in taste. It is a miraculous of healing power. Now discussing what are the benefits of the neem herb. The benefits are, the neem has a antiseptic, antimicrobial and the antifungal properties. It treats for the acne and the skin disorders. Next, the neem paste is the great for hair to help the control the dandruff. It is helpful for the controlling the dandruff. These are all about the neem. Now last one, that is the fifth one, that is Satwari. The Satwari, it is also called as the queen of the herb. The Satwari is a queen of the herb. It has antioxidant property. It is boost the immune system. And discussing what are the benefits of the Satwari herb. The benefits are, it is reduce the inflammation. Next one, it improve the female reproductive system activities. Improves the female reproductive system activities. It and also help for the cure the esophagus, stomach and the intestinal ulcers. Are all about the benefits of the Satwari herb. Hopeful this video is a very helpful for you people. Comment on it and also subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you for all.